Village Square, have for daddy. Okay, I'll come, but first, let me see my angel off. Oh. This is smile. That's my girl.
Why are you playing hard to get? Why? No. I won't skip up. I will do anything within my power to have this meeting. Anything. Oh, I need this meeting. Oma, I need you. I need you. And I think I have to act fast.
I think now is the right time. Because they're having problems. Yes. I will do anything. Anything within my power to have her.
Yes.
I have to go from here so I can walk faster.
Go well, my love. Where are you running?
Where are you running after me?
I have to catch up with you and return the hug.
And what if I refuse?
I will pursue to mother's spot and give you the hug.
Oh. So, are you coming tomorrow?
Yes, dear beauty.
I'll be waiting for you.
Where is it? Ugo! Ugo! Nne. Greetings, Nne.
What are you doing in my house?
Nne, I'm a changed person, no. I'm a changed person. You know, after the fight you had with Osondo's mother at the village square, because of what I told her you said about her, I've decided to change. I said to myself, why must I say...
Will you get out of my house now? You are not a good friend to my son. Get out of my house.
No, but I just told you I'm a changed person now. Whatever you tell me now, I will not tell anybody.
Get out of my house. I said get out of here now. After what I told Amosondo, you said you this, you that.
If Ugo comes back, please tell him that I...
Olama, where are you coming from? Where are you coming from? Don't you ever lie to me. I ask you, where are you coming from? Olama, are you seeing a man? Olama, are you seeing a man?
I met him on my way back from...
What? Come right here! Come right here and tell me what you mean by that. Come here! Here! Or I will throw you myself. I said here. Sorry about what?
Mother, you're welcome.
Ugeze, why didn't you come to help me at the farm?
I went to the stream to wash.
You went to the stream to wash with a strange woman. Who is the young woman?
Which young guy are you talking about, Mother?
I saw you. So tell me, who is she?
Mother, her name is Olama.
Olama. Ugeze,
Mother.
go to the back of the hut and help me break some fire.
Okay, Mother.
Just walk past me. Was that not Ugo?
What is his name?
Ugeze.
Where is he from?
He's from Obiolo.
Do you love him?
He is wise and soft-spoken.
You finally found love. It's a good thing.
Mother, you're not angry.
Not at all. You're a full-grown woman, and you know what you want.
Thank you, Mother.
Olama, you have to be careful.
I will, Mother.
And take good care of yourself.
Thank you, Mother.
Your mother, I know, is not angry.
No, she's not. I'm very happy.
I am happy for you.
Thank you.
I wish to see this man that brought sunshine to my friend's face.
He will be coming to see me tomorrow.
Really? Then tomorrow is a special day.
You can say that again.
My love.
I was not expecting you.
I know. I bought this for you.
Oh, thank you very much.
You like it?
Yes.
Where's your mother?
Mother!
Hola.
Mother Ogo is here.
Ewo. Nina.
Greetings in there.
Greetings, my son. How are you?
Fine.
Welcome to my house.
Thank you, Mama.
Let's come take a seat.
See that?
Welcome. Hey. So how are your people?
They are fine.
Hola. Please go and get him something to eat.
No, don't worry. I will eat some other time. Yes.
You cannot come to my house and reject my food. Hola. Quickly get him something to eat. Oh?
Yes, Mother.
He bought that for you?
Yes, Mother.
Papa is very real.
Thank you,
welcome.
Ma. Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Ma. No, thank you for the food.
You're welcome, my son. Hope you enjoyed the meal.
Yes, I did. Thank you. You are a wonderful cook.
Hey.
No, I have to start going so I can enjoy my mother in the farm.
All right, my son. I'll go and see him off. Don't stay out too long.
I won't.
A lot of men.
Your mother is a wonderful woman.
My mother,
Yes.
she can be very tough at times. I didn't even believe she would allow me bring a man home.
The gods are aware of this union.
So, we are in a union already.
Yes. Are we not?
You know the answer. Have you told your mother about us?
She found out about us.
She did?
Yes.
What did she say?
Whether she can be unpredictable at times, but I believe she would like you to see her.
I would like to see her. Can I come tomorrow?
You can come anytime you like.
I'll come tomorrow.
Thanks. My love. I don't feel like leaving you. I'm okay. My love! My love! Sorry. You okay? Sorry. I'm okay, don't worry about me. Sorry, my love. Mother.
Ugeze, where are you coming from?
I went to see your Lama.
Is it not high time you brought her for me to see?
Don't worry. Very soon she will come and see you. Don't worry, mother.
That's nice. Greetings, Ine.
Greetings, my daughter. You must be Olamma.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, you're welcome. Ugaze! Ugam!
Mother.
Come and see who we have here. You're welcome, my daughter.
My love. How are you doing today?
I'm well.
And your mother?
She's well.
Come and sit down. Come.
You're welcome, my daughter.
Thank you.
Hope your journey was not hectic.
I made some abacha and I even made Dora soup.
No, I'll eat any of them.
Ugeze, please go and help me warm that soup.
Okay, I'm coming.
You're welcome.
Let me join him in the kitchen.
No problem. It's bon. This is how to know a good wife. Maricha.
What are you saying?
Oma, I saw her with my 2 eyes. I saw this maiden with my 2 eyes. Hear this. Ugo is planning to get married to her.
Ja! Jim, the problem with you is you talk too much, Dinkma. Cho. Don't you know you're a man? How would you even say that? My Ugo, the man after my heart, is getting married to another woman. Are you crazy?
Oma, why are you deceiving yourself? Why are you misleading yourself? Why are you deceiving yourself? I talk too much. Because I brought you an authentic information, now I talk too much. Okay, if you doubt me, go to his house and see things yourself. No, you don't believe me? Go to his house and see things yourself. No, go to his house and see things yourself. Oma.
Ugo getting married to another woman. No, now. It's not audio possible. No. Dinkma talks too much.
My daughter, take this. Make sure you eat it alone.
I will, no.
Send me word to your mother, okay?
Sure, yeah.
You can come and visit us anytime you like.
Anytime.
No, I'll be on my way now.
But I'm coming.
Go. Take care of her.
Eat them.
She's so beautiful.
No further.
I'm happy your mother accepted me.
The girls have already destined this.
You're right. I love you, Ugo.
I was about saying that. I love you too.
So, when am I seeing you again?
You can visit me anytime you want. My mother would accept you anytime you come.
Alright. Let me start going.
I love to watch you leave.
What do you want? Who am I? Are you trying to say Ugweze did not tell you about his betrayal? Or you choose to snatch him away from me?
Please, take this away. Do not hurt me, please.
I am warning you to stay away from Ugweze.
I don't want to stay away from him.
If you do not, I will cut your throat open. Do you understand?
Yes.
The last maiden that tried this rubbish on me, I killed her and cut her body into pieces.
Please, do not kill me. I'm the only child of my mother. I promise I will never come back here. Please.
Now run. Run and never come back here!
How did it go?
Timba, you ask too many stupid questions. What is your business?
I asked too many stupid questions.
Yes, you do.
That is a great insult to a great man like me. But I will take it. You know why? Because I love you. Oma, all I am trying to say is that just forget about this to go. Forget about this to go.
Please, just hold it there. How do you expect me to forget about my Ugweze? Do you know who Ugweze is? A man after my heart. I cannot forget about him.
What are you saying? Wait. You can't forget about a man who called your own father evil? No, a man who called your own father an evil man. You can't forget about him.
But you told me it was his mother who swore that my father is an evil man.
No. I didn't say... Did I say so? Okay. But on that day, he supported his mother now. He supported his mother. And let me tell you, or let me ask you rather, if Ugo loves you as he claims, why would he go for another maiden?
I wonder what your business is in all these things. Let me worry about it. It is my Ugo, not yours!
Hola. Who's after her?
Hola.
Alama.
Hold on, nothing.
Who is chasing you? Is it nothing? Eh?
Hold on, nothing.
Hola. What happened over there?
I fell into the mouth of a lion today. It is only my chi that saved me.
You still have not said anything.
Zuka, just when I thought I have found love.
What did he do to you? What happened?
Just stop fine. What happened? Okay. Did he hurt you? Did he take advantage of you?
Olama. Yes, you are crying.
No, Mother.
I'm gonna come and help me in the kitchen.
Did he hurt you? Did he take advantage of you? Talk to me, tell me.
Again, why are you not eating?
Nothing.
What is it? Olama, since you came back from Mobula, you have been so strange, sad and nervous. Did you have problem with anybody? Ngwana, did you have problem with Ugeze?
No, Mother.
So what is eating you up?
Nothing. I'll be fine.
You'll be fine. What does that mean? This is not my daughter. She came back from Obiolo. She's not been the same. What is the problem? What did you do to her?
Olama. Olama.
Can you share your problem with me now?
There's no need to share.
But I'm your friend.
I think I want to be left alone. I want to be left alone.
My love.
Ola!
Hola, my love.
Ola!
My love.
My love.
My love.
My love, what's going on? My love. My love. My love. What have I done?
Let me go.
I will not let you go to tell me what I've done.
Why didn't you tell me about her?
Who?
Oma, your betrothed. She could have killed me.
Oma told you that I'm betrayed to her?
She's not lying, is she?
Well, Oma, listen. We had something in the past. That was true. But she insulted my mother and she's too lazy. She can't be my wife. My love, try and understand.
If you do not leave me, I will shout and tell people that you want to rape me.
My love, you can't do this to me.
You go leave me alone. Go away, I don't want to see you again.
My love, please. Be my better half. Please.
What's going on? Are you having a problem with him already?
What's me?
Whatever he has done, please forgive him. If you forgive him, you will have peace and enjoy his love.
I cannot forgive him.
Ola, do you love him? See? Can't you see that you love him? I don't know what he might have done to you, but I want you to forgive him. Please, Ola. You have to forgive him. Please.
Ola, if I don't love you, I won't have come this far to see you. I swear with my life, I don't have anything to do with Oma. I never promised her marriage.
Ola, I'll see you later.
Thank you. I'm a noble man.
She almost stabbed me with a knife.
Don't worry, I will report her to the Council of Elders. They will punish her for molesting a stranger.
Stand up.
How is your mother?
She's okay. She said she had a dream about us last night.
I thought I have lost you.
No one can ever take you away from me. Ola, my love.
I love you, good.
You love me. And I can't wait to hear you say that before my age mate. What? Hold on. Let me get some help. Let me get some help. If I catch you.
Take off.
You think I run?
But he did not catch me.
Don't do that again next time. Don't do it again next time. You almost scared me. In fact, you scared me. Marry me, Ola, my angel. Marry me.
Are you asking me to be your wife?
Would you say no?
Of course I will marry you.
Thank you. My mother must hear this. My mother must hear this. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
Mother! 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 Mother, he wants to marry me. What? Yes, he wants to marry me. He said he will be coming to see you on a 4-day. Really? Yes.
My daughter, I'm so happy for you.
Thank you, Mother.
I'm so happy for you.
Thank you.
Go and inform your uncle about it.
Thank you.
I smell good news.
He asked me to marry him.
It's good.
I'm happy for you.
Thank you.
I said because I've not remembered you.
You said, come and tell me about me.
Hey.
So for my daughter. For you, my daughter.
Look at this.
Hey.
Mother. Mother. Mother, is good news.
Geze, tell me, why are you this excited?
Ola have agreed to marry me.
This is the kind of news I like to hear.
I have to go see her people on her for a day.
You have to take a bold step as a man.
Yes. And Mother, I have to go and inform the Dikeh about it. Thank you very much, Mother. Thank you.
Hi.
You are welcome once again.
Thank you.
Thank you.
What is your name?
Mas, my name is Tika.
My name,
Not you. Our son-in-law.
my name is Ugoeze.
Who is your father?
Mas, actually, his father was my best friend.
Yes.
He's no more.
Nice.
Does he not have a name?
Mas, that will not stop us from doing what we have come here to do.
Yes, it will not stop us. But let him tell us who his father is. Or did he fell from the sky?
Mas,
Or did your mother rather bear you out of wedlock?
Mas,
Hey!
Mas, people born that way have always married from this community.
Yes, they are. And they ended up leaving our daughters in nothing but pains. I don't want that anymore. Eh? Adadi, you should have asked questions before bringing me here.
Mas, how would I know? Hey! Hey!
Let's go.
Let's
Hey!
Ugoeze, take it easy. Ugoeze, let's go.
Hey!
Come, let's go.
Let's go.
Mother, please don't let him go.
Mama, he is of no consequence. He has no background. You don't deserve such a man. Let him go. Better man will come and marry you. Wipe your tears. You don't deserve such a man. Considering our background and our family. No! You have a legitimate father. Please. What?
Mother! Mother!
Ugeze! My son, what is it?
Who is my father?
What happened?
If you don't tell me who my father is right now, I will set this house ablaze and kill myself.
My son, I knew a day like this would come. Please come. Come and sit with me.
I don't want to sit down. Mother, why did you lie to me that my father was buried over there?
You go. Please, can you calm down and listen to your mother? Please. Your father.
Somebody help me! Somebody help me!
What happened?
His snake beats me!
A snake? Sorry.
Let me suck it again one more time. Sorry. You're lucky I've taken off the venom. Okay? It's fine. Let me quickly get leave to place it. This is going to hurt, okay? But after this, you'll be fine. I promise. Wait. Just hold me. Sorry. Are you okay now? Sorry. Do you live here all alone?
No. I live with my father.
Okay. So, do you want me to do anything for you before I leave?
No, it's okay. It's fine. My father will soon be back.
Alright, in that case I'll go and come back again tomorrow to see you.
Okay.
So you'll be fine, okay? You just need time to rest and eat. Alright, take my leave.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I didn't even ask her name. Should I go and ask her? I'll have to see her tomorrow though.
If you don't come back, I will give you a new name. And that name will live with me until I die.
Here I am. Give me a new name.
You came back.
How are you?
I am doing well. Come and sit.
How are you feeling?
I feel well.
Can I take a look at the wound?
I still feel a little pain there.
It will heal faster.
Yes.
Sorry.
Thank you. Can I get you some abacha?
All right.
Okay.
She's so beautiful. Thank you so much for the abacha.
You're welcome. Should I get you some more to go home with?
No, I'm okay with this. Thank you very much. I have to be on my way. I have an age grade meeting to attend to.
Oh, okay, it's fine. Let me see you off then.
No, don't worry. Don't bother yourself. I'll be fine.
I want to bother myself. I want to see you off. Please. I'll just drop this inside and then we can go. So I'll have to go back here. Go well.
Okay. Thank you.
Wait. I forgot to ask. What is your name?
My name is Kanonta. I'm from the neighboring village Arochukwu.
Arochukwu? My grandmother was from Arochukwu.
Oh, really?
Yes. Would you come back to see me?
Yes, whenever I'm free. What is your name?
My name is Ijegoma. Ijego.
That's a lovely name. And you're beautiful.
Thank you.
Okay. I'll be on my way. I'll come to see you, like I said, whenever I'm free.
Before you leave, can you feel it?
What?
My heart leaps for you. Doesn't yours leap for mine?
This is ridiculous.
What did you say? If your heart doesn't beat for me, why then did you come back? Answer me.
What is wrong with me?
Ijogo, what is it? What is your problem?
Ego. My heart leaps for you too.
Go home.
I will go. But let me say it one more time. My heart leaps for you too.
What is going on here?
Greetings, Mazi.
Who are you?
Father, he is the man that saved me from the snake bite.
Oh, you are welcome.
Thank you.
You are welcome. Please, come and sit down. Let me give you some palm wine.
Oh, thank you. But there won't be need for that.
And I said, come and sit down. Let me give you some palm wine. Diego, go and get some palm wine for you. Please, come and sit down. Okay.
Last night, I thought about you until I fell asleep. And I woke up in the middle of the night thinking about you.
Last night I also could not sleep. I was thinking about you. Right now I don't even feel like going.
It's okay. I'll wait for you here at sunset tomorrow.
It's alright. Can't wait for tomorrow. I'll be on my way. Take care of you.
Don't forget, as you leave with part of me.
I won't forget.
Stop
him. Stop making me run.
Really? Don't you enjoy running after me?
Well, I do. But not for a long distance.
Okay. So I was going to ask, have you told your mother about us?
Why?
Because I don't have a mother. My mother died long time ago.
Oh, I'm so sorry. But if you allow me, I will treat you like a mother.
That means you're planning to stay with me forever.
Well, if you take wine to my father, then I will.
And that I will do very soon.
Thank you.
You don't need to thank me.
Okay, so catch me if you can! No, you're cheating! It's a lie! Come!
So, this is my house.
This is exactly the same house I see in my dreams every day as my husband's house. Dreams, they say, do come true.
Of course. And what if I tell you I've foreseen the kind of woman I want to marry before meeting you?
Our union was made by the gods.
You are right. Come, let me show you my band.
So I could inform my kinsmen about this. Mazi Boka, there is no problem. We can as well patiently wait for you here, for you to send somebody and call them. You see, that is not what I meant. I cannot give my daughter away to a total stranger.
Bonai, I'm not a stranger. Ijego and I love each other very well, which you know.
You see, I am aware that you saved my daughter from snake bite.
Oh yes.
But that will not mean I should not give her away without asking questions and getting answers. I need to see a seer. Ask questions and get answers. You understand what I am saying?
All right, if you say so, I will wait.
It's okay.
There. I know.
Kano, my love. My father went to see the seer.
Oh, okay.
And the seer said we can get married. She said our marriage will
My love, don't you think the gods have planned this before our birth?
Well, I think so. And I also think we need to go in and celebrate.
Of course, exactly. I have roasted meats already. Come. It calls for celebration.
Yes!
Just like that. Congratulations. Can't believe this. The worst part is that nobody knows what killed him. Come to think of it, according to his wife, she said she woke up and found her husband dead beside her. I have this strong feeling that he committed suicide. All because of love. Died all because of love. I can't believe this. I can't believe it. No. Very good.
And when I woke up that morning, behold, Karen, I was lying dead beside. He was a good man.
You will never see me again, mother. Never.
You guys are... You guys are... You guys are... You guys are... You guys are...
May I greet you?
Ijegu.
I cannot remember you.
Have you forgotten that you came to my father's house with your lover from Arochukwu to know if you are meant to marry?
That was a long time ago now.
So what brought you here?
Please, I'm looking for the house of our daddy.
Our daddy?
Yes, ma'am.
That's my brother's wife?
Please, can you take me there?
Okay, come with me. Let me show you her house. What is he still doing here?
I don't know.
Have I not warned you that a man without a background cannot get married to our daughter?
I don't know what he's doing here. He refused to go. He's been here since.
My son, please go home.
Go now. Who is keeping you poor?
Is he your son?
Yes, he's my son.
Sit down, sit down. Adadi, this marriage introduction must continue.
Why?
Ugo is the son of Kanu, the great medicine man that died long ago.
Yes. Hey, he was a good friend to this community, to this land. In fact, he even cured me of a snake bite. It's bad then.
In that case, the marriage must hold.
Yes, because you're no longer without legitimate background. You have a legitimate background. So marry Olama.
May the gods bless your union on Eke Day.
Yes.
Bless your union on Apo Day.
Yes.
Bless your union on your day.
Yes. You are no longer an illegitimate child. You have a legitimate background now. And you can marry Olama. Hey. Okay, for. One for water. Remember. Agam will show you. My in-law. No, ma. Or you love ya? You go kind of there.
I have a look.
That's the same. Oh, hola.